大家好, this is Nightwind Chinese. I'm Mia. Welcome to yet another episode of Summer Walking with me as we keep on observing and exploring this year's plum rain season in city Nantong at the mouth of the Yangtze River in China. Okay, let's go. So this is already episode number 3. You maybe already have watched my first 2 episodes of walking. First one was after rain and I almost tripped over. And the second one was actually yesterday. Just some light drizzle. And now my kind of expectation is none. I don't know. I just want to let it go. After yesterday's drizzling, today actually we had some heavy rain in the afternoon. Between 1 p.m. to 3 or 4 p.m. Yeah, it was kind of heavy. But now, 6:40ish, the ground is dried up pretty quickly actually. Let's observe. Wow. Well, still this angle so beautiful today. The sky is so clear after the rain. And we have some snow white clouds, some gray pink clouds. On the right side, the pink clouds are descending. See that? Strangely, the cicadas today are quiet. And this is what the ground looks like now. Really half dried, half wet. Leaving some traces of that heavy rain, which was actually not long ago. The level of water has raised quite a lot, I feel, after this rain. And now you can also see beautiful, blurry cloud reflections. In the river. Some light breeze is going on, making these beautiful motions on the surface of the water. And what a canvas here. In the end, some massive gray clouds. Will it be a raining day tomorrow again? It was such a nice walk, surrounded by incredible cloudscapes, light summer breeze, and fresh air after rain. I really enjoyed it. Although I inevitably again stepped onto some light puddles and dropped my phone once. At least it's working for now. Okay, let's end this episode here and see what tomorrow will bring us. Bye bye.